And good morning, everyone. We are on our 10th episode for the Psychology channel. Now, our topic today is very relevant and significant because we have before us is the outstanding Hall Famer, outstanding faculty of the department in the person of Ma'am Joyce Padilla. And our topic for the interest of everyone is the difference, no? It's quite simple, a simple topic, pero a lot of people do not know the difference between these two. The difference between a therapy and a counseling. Surprisingly, there is a universe of difference between the two, no? So, sige, Ma'am Joyce, would you like to give your opening remarks?
Yes, Doc. Good morning, everyone. Good morning po, good afternoon, and good evening po sa lahat ng listener ba natin, Doc, ng podcast. Ayan. So, again, no, good day to everyone. And, no, Doc, no, maganda yung topic natin today. Tama, no? I think most of the time, nagkakaroon tayo ng what they call this, yung how to distinguish the two kasi most of the time we use these terms in psychology without us knowing na sobrang ang laki pala nung difference nung counseling saka nung therapy. So I think this is a good session for us no to discuss the difference between these two in the field of psychology.
Sige ma'am, just for the sake of clarity, no, let us first define technically therapy. And I will read, no, often therapy is often referred to as psychotherapy. Therapy is a long-term process that focuses on deeper issues, patterns, and chronic mental health conditions. Sige ma'am, your input now here.
Yes, oo. No, when we're talking about therapy or psychotherapy, actually makikita na natin kaagad Doc yung difference niya, no? Sa psychotherapy in terms of the duration pa lang, sa scope pa lang makikita na natin yung difference. Sa therapy kasi most likely ang scope natin is about the parang major ba? Pwede ba nating matawag yun na major? Or mga severe cases actually. Pag sa counseling, di po natin sinasabi na hindi siya major. It's just that yung scope kasi ng psychotherapy, it's really more of unresolved conflicts, yung mga major traumatic events no, na naranasan ng isang tao. Saka, pag sinabi po natin psychotherapy or therapy itself, it's more of the duration, mas matagal siya compared to counseling.
Yun, no, yung sinasabi nga dito sa primer natin, therapy sessions can extend over several months or even years, no? Ano bang standard practice? Kasi if you're going to jump into counseling, just to differentiate the two, yung counseling shorter siya, no? And I think
Yes, Doc.
8 to 10 sessions, you should be over.
Opo.
No ba? 8 to 10 sessions. In fact, I'm being generous eh. Kasi based sa textbook, 7 lang eh. So dito, sa Philippine context, sabihin na natin 10, no? And then you should be moving on. Kasi if it's longer, it becomes a therapy. Di ba?
Yes, yes,
It
opo.
becomes a therapy. At ano ba ang goals natin dito? Promote self-awareness, personal growth, and lasting change. Di ba? Sa therapy. Sige ma'am, with your input again ma'am.
Yes, Doc. Saka isa din, Doc, no? Pag sinabi po natin, tama kanina, Doc, na sinabi mo mas longer siya. Pero ngayon kasi, Doc, in the field, sa therapy ngayon, no? Among the practitioner themselves, meron na din po tayong tinatawag na brief. Kumbaga, 7
Okay.
to 13 sessions, no? Meron na din. Kaya siguro nagkakaroon tayo ng problem differentiating the two. Kasi in terms of duration, sabi nga dati, mas mahabang therapy. Sa counseling, mas shorter. Pero marami na kasing intervention right now na tinatawag natin brief psychotherapy. So mga 7 to 13 sessions na din, Doc, okay na. Tapos na yung session. So parang counseling na din siya. Yun nga lang, talagang malaki siguro yung factor, Doc, yung tinatawag nating condition niya. No? Sa condition, kapag sa psychotherapy, mas severe po talaga yung cases niya. Mas severe yung kaso. But in counseling, less severe siya. Kumbaga, mild to moderate lang yung mga clients natin. Tapos pagdating po sa therapy naman is severe cases na.
Okay. And then to move forward ma'am, no? Counseling tends to be a shorter term, no? And it is goal oriented. Tapos it is concentrated on relationship issues, grief, stress management, or life transitions. Yan, no? Sige, ma'am. I'm very certain meron kang mga maraming experience sa counseling. Sige nga, ma'am, would you like to share? Not on going to specifics.
Yes
Sige.
po, no? Ethics natin yun. Excuse me. So basically, pag sa counseling, sinabi mo nga do kanina, no? Relationship issues. Yeah, napakarami nating ano ngayon, no? Mga clients natin, mga students pa nga who are experiencing these issues. And most likely, Doc, sa counseling kasi, akala natin mga simple lang. Ang hirap na kasi talagang i-figure out ngayon kung talagang severe siya or moderate, no? I think what is really important nowadays is that pag nakakaramdam talaga tayo ng nung feeling na hindi na natin kaya, no, hindi na natin kaya yung pinagdadaanan natin, we can go to, different mental health professionals. Okay? Yun nga lang talaga kapag counseling, nakafocus siya, ang dami talaga pag, lalo na ngayon, yung mga issues natin towards significant others, no? Okay? Sa school din, nakikita natin, napakaraming estudyante ngayon yung nakakaranas ng mga issues na kailangan talagang i-address through counseling. Saka even, Doc, yung simple adjustment natin. Although, syempre po, di ba, parang daily hassles, given na yan sa buhay natin. But there are some really people na individual having hard time going to one transition to another one. Even nga po yung simple lang na senior high, transition to college. Pag nasa college sila, medyo naku-culture shock sila. Yan. Pwedeng ito yung mga possible na magiging clients natin because we want these students or even in this individual na magkaroon sila or equip themselves with necessary mechanism para pag nagkaroon sila ng transition, mas madali for them.
No, Ma'am Joyce, yung movie, yung Analyze This, Analyze That, si Robert De Niro, tapos yung series which is matagal na, yung Sopranos, ito yung mga mafia don, no? And then yung stress ng pagpapatakbo ng criminal or organized crime is stressful to them, so they went into therapy. At naging issue yon kasi baka sa therapy kasi may confidentiality clause, pero natakot yung mga nakapaligid sa kanila kasi baka i-reveal ng don yung yung mga trade secret nila, and they don't want that out in the open. Yun, nagkaroon ng comedy yung sa Analyze This, Analyze That kay Robert De Niro. Sa Sopranos is a serious thing, no? Although tapos na para yung series na yon, and then pero the point is, sometimes kasi you need clarity eh.
Yes.
Yung clarity lang, I'm transitioning from senior high school to college. I'm transitioning from singleness to a married life, di ba?
Correct.
So yan, transition yan eh. And you have not experienced that, and sometimes you seek advice, di ba? And that's already, strictly speaking, a form of counseling.
Yes, Doc. Oo, tama yun. Oo. Saka importante yun, Doc. Kaya sabi natin kanina, pag nararamdaman mo, nahihirapan ka na, you have to really seek, para at least, siguro sa mga nakikinig din sa atin right now, it's really important that you have to be proactive, no, rather than reactive. Most of the time, pag sa therapy kasi, sir, more of reactive yan eh. So, dapat, mabigyan tayo ng ganong idea, no, or ano yung mga practical ways or solutions natin, no, na pwede nating gamitin if in case nakakaranas tayo ng mga ganong mga situations.
Ayan, and I would even extend the equation, no? Transition from singlehood, tapos biglang married life, and then to parenthood. Di ba? Definitely, yung parenthood na lang, no? How to raise a baby, an infant, a child. Di ba? Adolescence.
Actually,
even how to raise adults.
Kaya lagi ko, ang stand ko palagi ito is that yung transition not only yung mga major transition in life, just the simple lang, yung sa developmental stages na from childhood, puberty, adolescence.
Ang laki ng pagbabago dyan, di ba?
Opo, tama yon. So, yung iba talaga, Dok, parang hirap sila kung ano ba yung gagawin nila. Kasi kunyari, sinabi mo nga, Dok, kanina, no, from singlehood, tapos nagkaroon ka ng asawa, tapos nagkaroon ka ng anak, yung parenthood, napakahirap talaga yung transition. Especially siguro for those couple na tinatawag nating young couple, no, na nasanay sila na sila lang, and then eventually merong third wheel sa family nila, nagkaroon ng anak. So I think another major talaga, it's a major adjustment. And then this couple, they're very young couple, nasanay sila sa yung ganong buhay, tapos nagkaroon sila ng big responsibility, hirap talaga silang mag-cope.
Daming trial and error niya, no? Of course,
Yes,
sometimes kasi trial and error is very costly. Kaya nga, you seek
yes,
professional help, di ba? You seek an advice. Sa kultura kasi ng Pilipinas, we do not, there's a certain stigma eh. Bakit ka nagpapa-counseling? Bakit ka nagpapa-therapy? At ang
yes,
support system natin, it's even religious-based, di ba? Merong singles
yes.
for Christ, couples for Christ,
Yes.
children for Christ. And I'm just talking about sa Catholic, sa Catholic domain. Meron, I'm very certain sa ibang religion, meron silang mga support group na ganyan, no? At and of course, meron pa tayong informal advice giver, no? Yung circle of friends, di ba?
Yes,
So,
opo.
with so many help available at our disposal, minsan pa nga may information overload. Which channel do I subscribe to? Ano ba ang ano ba ang susundin ko? Kanino
Yes.
ba ako makikinig? 'Di ba? So,
Opo.
yeah, no. So,
Siguro Doc, add ko lang kanina, yung sinabi mo na nagkakaroon nga ng stigma, stereotype about going to a counselor or a psychologist. Siguro kahit yung sinabi natin kanina, balik lang tayo sa transition. If, for example, sa school, you have naman the guidance counselor. Yan. Siguro they can seek for guidance and then afterward counseling. Pag hindi po talaga kaya, that's the time they go to therapy. Siguro wag natin kakalimutan din yung yung guidance na part, no? Kasi iba po yung guidance, iba din yung
iba
counseling.
rin
Kasi
yun.
pag
Ibang ano rin yun.
iba din siya. So siguro, pwede
That
yung
would be a
start muna tayo
topic
sa
for another talk siguro.
Opo, tama, correct.
Siguro, pwede guidance naman, yung difference in counseling. Di ba?
Opo.
Kasi, dapat siguro talaga may part 2 tayo dito. Kasi, pumapasok pa ngayon sa lexicon or ng consciousness natin, yung panibagong term pa, yung life coaching. Di ba?
Yes,
May
opo.
life coaching na. May coach
Yun.
ka sa adolescence, may coach ka sa finances, may coach ka sa sports, di ba? Iba kasi yun eh. Pag pumunta ka ng gym, ikaw lang nagbuhat-buhat ka, yeah, you get results, you feel good about yourself, pero iba yung organized based on a certain methodology, di ba? And similarly, ganun din sa mental health natin, no? Transitioning lang, life coaching yan eh. Like, let's say, sa work mo, kailangan mo ng coach dyan. Sa pag-aaral mo, kailangan mo ng coach dyan. Sa relationship, may coach din dyan, di ba? I mean, of course, to spare you the agony of trial and error, di ba? Kasi you could avoid yung certain pitfalls if you are properly coached, di ba? Yung gano'n, no? And siguro doon pumapasok yung profesyon natin, doon pumapasok. Sige, ma'am.
Opo. Saka Doc, yung pinag-uusapan kasi natin ngayon, mga mental health professional talaga na mga license talaga kasi we have counseling psychologists, tapos meron din tayong mga psychotherapists, yan, okay? So dapat makita din natin po yung difference niya po, no? Yung sino ba yung humahawak ng counseling, sino ba humahawak ng psychotherapy, although both can be facilitated of course by psychologists. Yun yung binanggit mo kanina, Doc, no? Pag pumunta ka, meron ka agad stigma na merong something to, no? Parang we really have to normalize already going to a counselor or psychologist. It's really important nowadays na i-normalize na natin na hindi nakakahiyang mag-seek lang just to probably ask for an hour obsession, 1 hour obsession, just to, figure out what you are really going through. Para at least ma-assess din ng mental health professional na pang-counseling to, ito naman ay pang-psychotherapy.
Catharsis, yung sometimes release of pent-up emotions is a very big deal, no? Kaya nga yung support system, yung sa barkada, kaibigan, wala naman silang ginawa, nag-rant lang sila, nag-inuman lang sila, and then they rant all the day, all the night away. And then after that, wala namang na-resolve, pero they feel good about that. Bakit? Kasi catharsis eh. Na-release lang
Yes.
yung emotions, di ba? Ranting
Opo.
actually is a coping mechanism.
Yes, oo. Yun nga lang talaga, it's what they call this, parang critical din, no? Kapag nagkakatarsis din talaga tayo. But we have to be mindful also kung sino talaga yung mga pinagsasabihan natin. Kaya
Ayan,
nga
not for public
yes,
consumption. Not for public
oo,
consumption. If you're going to
yes,
rant, if you're going to release pent-up emotions, uh, to someone who is trusted. Di ba? Yung ano nga, yun nga. Doon nga po, kaya nga doon pumapasok yung maganda yung mga counselor tsaka yung mga therapists eh. Kasi they're professionals. And then they're paid to may confidentiality, 'di ba? May confidentiality eh, no?
oo.
Kasi if you do it publicly, damaging, 'di ba? Pero if you do it with a professional, kaya nga siya pumunta doon eh, kailangan niya nga ng tulong eh. Kaya nga nagkakatarsis lang siya eh, 'di ba? I mean, iba naman kasi yung sinasabi sa ginagawa, 'di ba?
Correct,
He is
opo.
just processing things, 'di ba? Yung mga gano'n, no? So maybe, yeah, in the near future, this our vocation would be a lucrative one. Sadly,
Yes,
sadly,
yes, oo.
pro
Saka,
bono, no? Puro libre,
oo nga, Dok.
puro
Saka
libre.
marami naman ngayon, Dok, mga platform online din
Mm,
na it's free of charge din. I think we just have to be to know ano yung mga links or where to go to. I think
oo.
importante din talaga yon. Pero marami po talaga eh. Kala kasi nila when you go to a counselor or a psychologist, expensive talaga, especially in the Philippines. Pero looking at it right now, Dok, ang dami ng mga ano who are giving pro bono, kumbaga, no, free of charge na talaga. Marami naman tayong mga psychologists and counselors.
Hindi, pero ang ano nga niyan sa, well, mapunta tayo sa business side. How you're going to scale the business. Kasi yung iba naman kasi, no, they're willing to pay, pero to someone that they're comfortable with. No? You might be facing
Yes.
someone who has all the credentials, pero hindi ka komportable sa kanya eh. Kaya nga yung iba
Correct.
naman, walang credentials, pero doon ka sa kanya komportable eh. Kaya nga dito
Yes.
pumapasok yung mga quack eh, di ba? Yung mga quack practitioners, no? Even
Opo.
religion, di ba? Pupunta na lang ako sa sa kay brother, kay sister, kay father. Di ba?
Yeah, opo.
Lahat ng kamag-anak, doon na lang ako kay di ba? Kasi nga pero truth be told, if you're really being helped, what's 500 pesos, di ba? Tulungan ka naman, you had your peace of mind after that, di ba? Kasi it's
Oh.
even cheaper kesa maglalasing ka and then you spend 3 to
Sakit
5,000,
sa
di
ulo
ba?
mo.
Oo, and then you have the hangover and then you still have not resolved the problem, initial problem in the first
Yes.
place, di ba? Yun nga yun eh. So, yeah, we'll see paano tayo mag-evolve in the near future. Ayan,
Oo
no?
nga, sana ganun, no? Diba, Doc? Sana ganun yung mindset na instead na you go to a bar, go somewhere, di ba, gamitin mo na lang pera mo, no? To invest eh. Kumbaga, investment din sa sarili natin eh. When you go
Oo.
to these clinics or you visit a mental health professionals.
Whatever makes you feel better, ika nga, no? Kasi
Yes.
I'm very certain yung mga bars, speaking of bar o kaya yung mga pub houses, yung mga inuman, di ba? I mean, yung iba kasi, yun yung therapy nila, di ba? I mean, with so many stress of the day, we need to unwind, ika nga, o we need to relax, unburden yourself. So pupunta sa bar, then magiinuman, di ba? And then after that, they feel good about themselves. Yung iba naman talaga, may tinatakasan. They want to
Oo,
forget
oo,
things. Di ba?
oo.
Diba? May tinataka. Well, ibang again, another counseling issue na naman yan kung sa atin no,
Correct,
na
oo.
mga academicians, di ba? Pero this is also blurring the line no from in the clinical perspective and the academic perspective, di ba? When does the line is crossed, no? When do you cross the line? Clinical na ba to? Approach siya ba to? Or academic approach siya ba to? Or personal lang? Ano lang,
Yes,
nag-unwind
yes.
lang, no? Meron pang iba, revenge spending eh. O sige, I feel bad so I'll spend this much. I will
Oo.
splurge on this, di ba? Gano'n, no? Kaya nga, no, somewhere between those, siguro merong business na nag-aantay sa atin. Hindi pa lang natin matap, no?
Oo, saka yun nga, mahirap talaga pag-usapan pag ganyan. Tapos, ano na, may
Siguro you need
pera
to
na on
build
that
a
side.
following muna siguro talaga, no?
Yes.
Ito paggawa ng podcast, pag marami ka ng followers, and then maybe they feel comfortable about you. Kasi yung iba talaga, pupunta pa sa radio station eh. Pupunta pa sa ano, and
Yes.
then they ask personal question, they simply do not identify themselves. And they get a certain level of clarity. Di ba? Yung mga ganun eh, di ba? O ano ba, ika-crowdsourcing mo? Ano ba ang dapat gawin? And then you have anonymous people giving their opinion, no? Di ba?
Opinion o advice, gano'n talaga. Pero
And then,
yun lang mahirap talaga na kapag nagre-resort na tayo sa mga ganun, no?
oo.
Dapat instead of going to really a license, a certified one,
Mm.
yun nga po dahil nga sa social media and the easy access to, yun nga siguro yung maganda ding pag-usapan na easy access kasi sila. All you have to
Mm.
do is open your cellphone, you have a data internet, it's easy. But siguro yun ang iniisip ng mga tao na going out to a counselor or a psychologist, medyo mahirap yung ganong way. Sa kanila kasi easy access talaga. But I think because of the social media also, kahit sa TikTok, Doc, no, ang daming mga psychologists na who are creating content.
Oo.
And then, part of their content is they are also giving their piece of advice, probably, o kaya
Template.
mga,
Template.
yes, yes, oo,
Template.
oo.
Pag ito yung
Kaya
problema,
siguro,
yung solution. Yung ano.
opo,
Pero,
ganun na yung
yung
mga
template,
nangyayari
naka-template
ngayon.
na.
Yes. Samantalang nung panahon siguro natin, closed door lagi eh. Ngayon parang open na talaga sa media.
Oo. Ang techniques used in counseling as well as in therapy, ang pinaka-popular talaga even sa textbook is yung CBT, Cognitive Behavioral Therapy. Di ba? And then,
Yes po.
I think it's evidence-driven na it's effective. Psychoanalytic theory, yung mga individual psychology, they have their uses. Pero clinically, ang widely used is CBT, no? CBT. And then merong
Opo,
mga
opo.
psychodynamic therapy din and other evidence-based approaches. Anyway, again, yung technique kasi depende sa problema at depende sa individual,
Yes,
no?
correct.
There
Opo.
is no template, no? I mean, ano yan eh, yung hindi damit na small, medium, large, di ba? I mean,
Yeah, correct,
if
correct.
you have every problem is unique that requires a unique approach and solution, ika nga, no? So, kailangan
Yes. It's just
talaga
that,
tailor fit talaga sa individual.
opo, tama. Tailor fit siya. Saka it's just that, tama no, Doc, kanina sinabi mo, that among clinical psychologists nowadays, top one really is the CBT. And
Mm-mm.
then yung tama, no, magkakaiba talaga. No? It should be individualized, tailor-made talaga siya. Saka nasa approach siya talaga ni psychologist. That's why it's also important that lagi ko sinasabi din sa mga estudyante natin, Doc, no, na dapat palang first year, second year ka pala, inaaral mo na yung School of Thought and Psychology para at least pag nasa higher years ka na, pag nasa theories ka na, nasa counseling, mga higher or technical courses, you have already parang a basis, parang a solid foundation. So that when you practice already the profession, at least you have, no, at least a solid background or orientation na pwede mong i-hone when you go to practice already. And then, the psychologists nowadays po parang eclectic na din, no? They integrate different approaches already. And it's very effective naman, I think, no? For a lot of clients who are seeking solutions ba? Or yung seeking for a solution to their problems.
Wala na rin yung one size fits all, no? Yung
Yes,
t-shirt, no?
opo.
Wala na yung ano na talaga, tailor-made na talaga
Tailor-made
suited
na
to the
siya.
individual.
Opo.
Oo.
Saka, kunyari po, ngayon, ito yung gagamitin. Possible po, no, yung iba kasing practitioner, they have this particular technique, and then, o kaya intervention, then afterwards, along the way, in the middle, pwede din nilang i-tweak yun, use another intervention. Kaya talagang ano Parang hindi ka pwedeng makagawa ng isang program lang talaga o CBT lang po, no? I think for the psychologists, we are very flexible also of creating po mga programs, and then flexible din tayo what are the techniques or intervention that we can use. Kasi hindi talaga po pwedeng isa lang all throughout the session na pwede natin gamitin.
Siguro it will mimic yung sa mga physicians, sa mga medical doctors, 'di ba? Dati kasi pag doctor ka, lahat, no? Pero ngayon may specialty na, may cardiologist, may surgeon, may pediatrician, gerontologist, may pulmonologist, may internal medicine. And similarly, I think it's going to mimic that trend sa psychology rin, no? Merong pang relationship, merong pang drug abuse, di ba? Merong pang yung mga mental disorders, di ba? Merong pang adjustment, may pang coaching lang, merong pang affirmation lang, may pang school, pang trabaho,
Yes.
no? And of course, hindi mo naman pwede angkinin lahat yun na expert ka sa lahat ng kasi ayun na nga, you go back again to the riddle of one size fits all, di ba? Hindi naman. Kaya siguro pag hindi mo forte, you refer, di ba? You refer
Yes, yes.
to someone who is more focused, directed, and able than you on that particular scenario or situation.
Marami na tayong ngayon, Dok, marami na tayong mga expert talaga. Like for example, grief counselor talaga siya, relationship
grief lang
coach.
siya.
May mga ganun talaga, relationship coach, relationship counselor, mga ganun, no? Iba-iba na din talaga ngayon.
Sige. So, 30 minutes na tayo on that note. Ang bilis ng oras. Would you like to give your closing piece, ma'am?
Yes
And of
po,
course,
no?
this is the first time and this is not the last time. Over the course of our 100 episode journey.
Ang dami pala nun.
Marami tayo.
Sabagay, hindi tayo mauubusan.
Hindi tayo mauubusan ng topic. Sige, ma'am.
Oo, pag-usapan.
Say
Siguro
your piece, ma'am.
just to end siguro yung session natin for today. Yung sabi nga natin kanina na we really have to normalize po yung seeking advice from a counselor or psychologist. And then, nabanggit din natin kanina, no, para at least mas clear lang, na iba yung delivery, iba yung scope, iba yung sa counseling, saka sa psychotherapy. Siguro importante talaga na you go to a certified or a license para at least ma-assess yung what you are going through, whether for counseling ba to or for therapy. Kasi totally talagang magkaiba talaga sila. I think yung unang hahawak talaga sa'yo is really knowledgeable enough to know and to determine kung pang counseling ito or for therapy. Para tama din siguro yung pag-refer natin, yung referral process natin sa mga clients natin.
Ayan. It just struck me, no, while you were talking, most of these people are sad. Kasi nga may dinadala silang problema, no? And yung iba, if you want to feel better, you want to be happy, you go to this therapist. Di ba? Pero ba't ka mapupunta sa therapist? Meron naman mga comedy bar. And that's already a form of therapy, di ba?
Opo.
On that note, maraming salamat, Ma'am Joyce, na pagbigyan niyo po yung ating request. Not the last time, no? This is not the last time. Where so many episodes are ahead of us with a lot of and a variety of topics. So maraming salamat po. Ingat po tayong lahat. Psychology Channel. Or, sige po. Salamat po. Magandang araw po sa lahat.